Hey guys, this is Channel Explosiveness, and I'm going to show you how to unjailbreak your iPod or iPhone. As you can see here, this is my jailbroken iPhone, and I'm going to show you how to be able to delete Cydia right off your phone so that you do not have a jailbroken iPod anymore. This means you do not have to plug it into iTunes and restore it. First, you just want to go into Cydia. And then you're going to want to go to search and type in delete. Reloading. The jailbreak that I did is actually pretty fast, so it's not even that bad when it has to reload data. See, what you want to download now is something called delete. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to bother it. It's a tweak, by the way, so if you just want to know that. Then all you're going to have to do is go into settings, scroll down to delete. That should be in your settings, and originally this thing will be on so that Cydia is protected from being deleted. All you have to do is shut that off and then exit out. Hold the icon like you would normally do, and not only does this allow you to delete Cydia, it also allows you to delete other apps that you can get from Cydia. Like there, you can see Activator in the bottom right, and my Cydia right there is in the dock right here, so that I can delete that whenever I want to then, and then it'll be unjailbroken. It'll also delete all your packages when you delete it from your phone, so it's just like restoring your iPod. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.